Welcome to Daily Angelic Messages for Saturday, December 26, 2020, day number 360. The Daily Angelic Message for today is enjoy your unlimited nature. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart and a nice deep breath out. And wholeheartedly listening to today's divine message. Throughout this year, we angels have discussed how we're unlimited beings who can help you with anything. Today, we like to focus on the fact that you also possess unbounded potential. The only restrictions you have are those you've decided on. Sometimes, some choices come from personal beliefs, which, once you adopted them, resulted in your experience of limits. How could God, the infinite and boundless Creator, make anything that did not share these qualities? Everything and everyone that comes from the divine is also without constraints. You have a wide range of abilities that haven't been discovered or explored. Basically, you're capable of anything that you can conceive of doing, because all activities are governed by the imagination. In time, you'll learn to capitalize on this fact. But for today, let's focus on shedding one restricting belief so that you can experience the infinite nature. Think for a moment about an area of your life that you feel is missing something. The impression of lack signals a belief in limitations. Anytime that you begin with the sentence, "I don't have enough," you're uncovering a self-imposed restriction. Look for these ideas in your thoughts and words today, and counteract them with positive affirmations such as, "I have plenty of," and fill in the blank. "I possess unlimited," and fill in the blank. As we've discussed, words are your starting point for manifestation and creation. Affirm your limitlessness and notice how soon you experience the freedom for yourself. The thought for today, repeating after me: I am unlimited in all ways. I shed my beliefs and restrictions, knowing that everything is possible. Have a most beautiful, blessed day.